Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. I am going to share you all the cookbooks that I cannot live without. And a lot of these are older, so if you're looking for these, you may have to go on eBay and see if you can find a copy. But let's get into them. The first is the Best of Country Cooking, the 1999 edition. I love this cookbook. Okay, the next one is the Weight Watchers Quick Start Program Cookbook. Good for everyday dieting or just for great recipes. I love this cookbook. These are the cookbooks that I could not live without. Okay, the Del Monte Cookbook. Oldie but a goodie, and has lots of great everyday practical recipes for my family. Okay, the Cake Doctor Cookbook. This one here is awesome. It takes a regular cake mix and it doctors it up so that I can make something special for my family out of just cake mixes that I already have, or, go to the store and get a bunch. But it just spruces them up and they are divine. Couldn't live without the Cake Doctor Deluxe Edition. The next one is the Pillsbury Family Cookbook, an oldie but a goodie. I love this cookbook, practical everyday recipes. Okay, now we got the Soup Bible. I love this. Every day, put a pot of soup on, somebody gets hungry, go to the soup bucket until you get dinner, and every day a good soup. Get in a big hurry, just have a cup of soup that day for meals, and you can keep working if you're painting or doing something. My very favorite cookbook is the Modern Family Cookbook by Meta Guyven, not sure how to say it. Oldie but a goodie. Talks about setting tables, how to cut meats, tons of good, solid family recipes. Now, growing up in a home that my mom and dad were Pennsylvania Dutch, ate a lot of Pennsylvania Dutch food. So I like this Fine Old Recipe Pennsylvania Dutch Cookbook. It's just a little book, but has packed with recipes. And finally, the Amish Cooks Family Favorite Recipe. Sorry about my cast. Broke my wrist. You can go back and see other videos about that whole story. But the Amish Cooks Family Favorite Recipes. Awesome cookbook. One of my favorites. Not as favorite as this one, but it's running a close second. Okay, guys, there you got it. All my cookbooks that I can't live without. Share yours below. Give me some suggestions, old or new. And remember, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless. Whee! Almost dropped that, huh?